Mm. It's nice and cool in here. The second I stepped into this, it's like really cold. Very nice. Sort of wild mullein grows here. Most of it's dead, but there's a seed pod in here. Just throw one of them down. What's this guy here biting me? Ouch! Sit in here for a second and it bite ya. There's a mullein that didn't get too big this year. Actually, there was really no mulleins out here last year. These kind of took over. I sometimes have a habit of taking mold seeds and just throwing them in the wintertime when I find them. What is that? Some kind of maybe ticks or something. You can see now the mullein flowers are closed because the sun's setting right now. I'm not going to be out here very long. Actually, I didn't film much today. I went and walked and hiked and got a few pictures. I didn't do any videos. So, I'm almost by my house. I'll have to take some time out and take a next walk through here until August 1st. Because things are going to be changed out here by the time I show you another video come September. Which, by the way, is my birthday. A lot of flowers out here. They're everywhere. Almost like a ferry can run through here. Planting them all. They look kind of peculiar. Out of place. And I love how the grass just folds in here like this. I don't know what kind of grass this is. Wildflowers. Pretty sure there's a lot that hasn't even came up yet. Should probably check on spiders.